Alright, good morning guys. Just woke up a few minutes ago. It's windy. It's really windy. I'm not sure if I set up my tent wrong or like what's going on, but I've just had to set up a couple more mounting points, I guess, because it keeps folding in the wind. But yeah, this is today. It's not an amazing day, but yeah, it's meant to be 30 degrees, so it's gonna be a hot one, and it's windy, so definitely not ideal riding conditions, but it is what it is. I think Juan's set up his bike over here. Let's have a look. What's going on?
Just putting the parts together.
Yep.
It's ready for a good ride today. Pretty windy right now, but hopefully it gets better.
It's very windy. Alright, on the bike now. We're heading over to track number 8, I believe. Yeah, I doubt there'll be anything interesting, so I'll see you guys up there. Just got to the top of this thing. And back to climbing. Oh. No? I'm not attempting that. Alright. That was a bit of a climb up, and it's like 30 degrees, 35 degrees today. We're at the top yet? Yeah. Beautiful. So yeah, downhill riding from here, thank God. Pretty good view though. Look at that. Whoa. No? Whoa! Oh! I think I hit a stick or something there. Something loose. Oh, that is awkward. Oh my God. That's... Oh, fuck yeah.
Are we?
Yep. Alright, guess we're doing track number 3. Just gonna take it easy on this one. What's that? Yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah.
Don't know if you guys can see, there's like 2 rollers or a double there. Are you gonna do it?
I'm not sure.
Oi! Alright, made it back to the top again. It is hot.
Your chain's really sharp.
My chain. Yeah. Still got a bit of room. Weight saving. Let's go. Yo! Ah. Breaking bombs. Such a rough track, but great if you love your jumps. So yeah, super quick, super fun, super loose. Yeah, heading back to the car. I shoved my face in the esky, get the aircon going, get some fluids in me. Oh. Definitely a beautiful day though. Would be nice if it was a bit cooler. Would be better for riding, but that's how it is, and that's how our summers are. Oh, we went the wrong way. Nice. Yeah. What the fuck do I say? Vlogging is hard.